How to disable automatic app updates on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable the automatic app updates on Google Play Store. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Simply you have to launch the Google Play Store on your device. Sign into your account and then tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. On the menu bar, select Settings to access the settings page of Google Play Store. Once you access the settings section, choose Network Preferences as second option. Among this option, choose Auto Updates app. Now here are different options. Currently it has been chosen to update with limited amount of mobile data. So simply choose Don't Auto Update apps. Now your application won't be updated automatically. That's how we disable the automatic app updates on Google Play Store. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.